and see if this now fits in here. Something like that. Yeah. I'm going to tape those pieces down once I get them assembled in there. Put that in here. It's a little bit short, I think, but it's fitting. It's fitting in there. That's a good sign. I might want to just see if I can hold that veneer down a little bit better. See if I can just stick it with a couple pins. There's a little bit of warpage. Also, I could have flattened this mahogany overnight with some weight, which probably would have helped. Now I need some short pieces. Good enough. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, looks like that went in there. At this point, I need to tape this down since it's assembled, and I'll use some veneer tape to do that. There's a piece of it there. I'll cut a little strip of it, 2 strips of it, and it has hide glue on that tape, and I just, with my finger, I wet my finger and wet the tape a little bit, and it really sticks quickly. It's a very thin tape, and it holds all those pieces together. I leave that tape on even when I glue it to the pedestal. So it'll be on the top surface along with that paper still on there, that template still on there. And I'll glue the whole assembly onto the column. So now I can just cut this patch out of the mahogany veneer. And see if that'll pop out of there. Yeah. So that's ready for gluing. This side that you can see will actually go down, face down, and the paper will be up on top, and the paper and the tape will be removed with a small block plane and some scraping.